Okay, so this is the shower system that I installed. One complaint, the bolt that came for that, it did not come. So I had to put some long bolt. I will replace it going to the hardware store. So it's a little annoying. I'm not gonna ding them on the stars, on the silly screw. I'm sure they could just send it out. I definitely don't want to replace it for a small screw, so it is what it is. It happens. So here it is installed. The diverter was very easy, small, and it was just extremely easy to install the diverter for first time soldering. The instructions could be much better. It was a little bit of a pain in the neck, but some little Google searching, and here it is. So really, here it is. It's got the shower head. It's got multiple options. There's the sink. Works extremely well. Good job.